Hey, and welcome back to a new video. This time I will talk about how to clip contents to a frame. So let's imagine we have a frame here in Figma. And normally if you have an element like this black rectangle and you would move it into the frame, something happens here in the layer tab. You can see the rectangle is now in the frame. And also if it is at the edges of the frame, you will see it will be clipped, although the black rectangle is bigger. So in Figma, per default, this clipping is happening. But I can go to the right side to the layout panel and just select or deselect clip content. And now we would see, hey, this black rectangle is still in the frame, but it's not clipped because we don't want it to be clipped. Okay, now let's imagine the following. If we could have a horizontal slider, for example, and we have different elements that would slide in and slide out. And now for the development, obviously, we want to change something on this red rectangle here. And all of the frames that we have, we will put into all of the rectangles, we will put into the frame, and we will clip the content. And as we can see here, the slider is just shown cropped, because then this is what it looks on the real website. But maybe we want to still change the content here. We can always select and deselect it to adjust everything that's in here. There is even the option that you have an element that is far out of the frame, but still on the frame itself. So here, as you can see, I dragged it out, so it is off the frame. But sometimes if it's, for example, inside the frame and we want to move it outside, we can just press the space bar on our keyboard. And for the space bar now, let's just move it a little bit to the right. If we have the space bar pressed, we can just quickly move it outside the frame as we want it. Okay, it's a little bit outside. But we can, with press spacebar, just move it outside as much as we want, and still on the left it will be shown. And this is helpful because now we can clip content and it won't be shown for the visual eye. But yeah, that's basically how the clipping works in Figma. If you have any questions around this, let me know. Otherwise, thumbs up for the video and bye-bye.